What's up guys, my name's Evan and today you're watching Fresh Tracks 1 and we're going trout fishing today. Me and my father went to the Canandonian fish hatchery today. And I'm actually, if you look right there, you can actually see a trout. I know you guys might have a hard time seeing it, but I'm gonna put you guys on my chest harness and we will continue fishing. Alright, got my fishing pole, simple rig, something like that. It's very weedless actually. Hopefully we catch a fish today. Just got its attention. We've probably been here for 15 minutes or so. Find a good spot up there?
It opens up, it gets deeper, and then it's less.
Yeah. I'm watching fish right here, they're just not interested. I don't know if it's what we're using or...
Stare down competition.
With a deer?
No, with a doe and a spike.
Yeah. I heard him hiss.
That was pretty cool.
A spike? Oh, and it just swims off. I don't know. I think it's the big thud sound when I put it, when it hits the water.
Yeah, we're probably not using the right bait, poles, approach.
I mean, I was just using that other lure. The first one I put on, the very first one,
Yeah.
that was a fish one after that. It was one of the big ones too.
Oh my.
How far did you go up there?
Probably farther than I should have. You're falling too fast. I don't know if you're giving the fish time to get excited.
I think the weight is making too much of a thud sound. I'm gonna try and take the weight off. The weight. I'm filming if you're wondering. I'm filming if you're wondering.
Are you filming? Hope you know what's at it.
It's not that bad. I just started. This thing, see, doesn't get out there far enough.
I think we're in the wrong location with the wrong setup. And I had some hopes with this setup, so you can see my grub there about 4 inches from the bobber. But as soon as the current takes it over the buoy,
try and pull some of the seaweed. Well, it's not seaweed if it's not in the sea.
I'm afraid all we're doing is a service for the DEC today.
Yeah. At least we're trying. We're seeing fish. We just gotta get them to bite now.
It's often said, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day of school. Is that true?
Yeah. I agree with that. Like, they're right underneath this weed bed. Right where your hook is. And yeah, I think I'm gonna switch to something different. Should I try a lunker huntworm? That might be a little too heavy. Or should I go back to what I originally had? I think I might go back to what I have. Taking this thing off. These nail clippers stink. Last time I don't think I had a big enough spoon on it.
Look at that pass.
Get it right in the middle.
Come on now. If a fish doesn't see that and get excited.
We are trout fishing. We never have gone trout fishing, so it's a whole nother different way of fishing. These weeds are just annoying. Obviously, fly fishing is the ideal way of fishing here, but
Catching all the seaweed I can possibly enjoy.
I'm just doing 3 simple knots. Not doing anything fancy. Did they run off right when?
No, we had to stare down for a little bit. Then he turned his head and hissed. He moseyed on.
Can't tie a knot today. Come on.
Maybe there's a timing to it.
Yeah. Well, we never, like I said, we've never been trout fishing before, so. How does that not attract a fish, though? I was bouncing it, going across the bottom, right behind them. I know there's like 5 or 6 of them in the same hole. Coming back to this spot. Seems to be a good spot. I hope you guys can see it go through the water. Whoops. That was a crazy cast. Come on, fish. More seaweed. And they moved right around it. Is it alright if I go farther down? Huh?
Wherever you're comfortable.
Alright. Yeah, I got my phone. There's just too many weeds. Maybe if I cast out. Exactly where I want it to go too. More seaweed. Skeeters are up. Ooh. Must have it wrapped around the top. That's why I'm out of line. I was gonna restring it, but I decided to just use what I already had. He's fishing up here. We're gonna go back down here. Maybe. Nope. How was I able to cast out there last time? It went right in the middle last time. Yep. Just gonna stick with our other spot. I gotta restring my pole to be able to cast out there, and I don't really want to do that right now. Like, I can see the fish right there.